Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your resource management consultant business. So I am an owner for resource management consultant business and I receive a lot of queries by my clients on WhatsApp. Now replying to each one of them individually and manually is a very time consuming and hectic task. So to solve this problem, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. So now as I've created this bot, whenever a new client is going to send me any of the queries on WhatsApp as a message, automatically this bot is going to send a reply to them. And we are going to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot without any need of coding and programming skills. So if you want to learn how to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for yourself, for your business, then let me take you to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a fully functional WhatsApp chatbot for a resource management consultant business using Pabbly Chatflow. This bot can smartly handle clients' inquiries, book free consultation calls, and share downloadable guides, and all of that automatically without need of any coding and programming skills. So first of all, I'm going to show you how this bot that I've created works in real time. For that, towards this bot with my WhatsApp number, I'm going to send a message. So this is the bot that I've created, and towards this bot over here, I'm going to write it as... So this is the question. Hey, how can I book a consultation? So I'm going to send this message towards this bot right over here. And as I've done that, you can see this bot has automatically replied, "Hello, welcome to Opticore Advisory, your trusted partner in efficient resource management." And you can see it has forwarded me few of the options. I want to book a consultation, so I'm going to select this option from here. As I've done it says, awesome, we offer 30 minutes free consultation call to understand your resource management challenges. Okay. And to book a 30 minutes free consultation call, it is going to ask me for my details. Firstly, it is asking for my name. So for the name, let's suppose I'm going to send it as test right over here. Then it is asking for my email address. So for the email address over here, I'm going to write it as test@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to send this email address towards this bot. It is asking for my company name, for which over here, I'm going to write it as ABC Company. I'm going to send the name of my company right here. It is asking for my city. For my city over here, I'm going to write it as Bhopal, India. Okay, I'm going to send the city and the country. As I've done that, it is asking for how many people are currently in your team. I have 51 to 100 people. So I'm going to copy it and paste it right over here. And I'm going to send it towards this bot. It is asking for what type of resource management challenge are you facing currently. I am facing overloaded team. So I'm going to copy it and send it towards this bot right here. After that, over here it is asking, when would you prefer to schedule the free consultation call? For the free consultation call, I want it in the morning. So over here, I'm going to write it as morning by 10:30 a.m. Okay, so I'm going to send this message towards this bot. And after that, it says, thank you. Just to confirm, you want to book a 30 minutes free consultation call with our expert? Reply yes to confirm, no to go back to the main menu. Yes, I want to book a consultation call. So I'm going to write over here as yes and send it towards this bot right here. As I've done that, you can see I've received thank you for booking free consultation call at my business. Here's the detail. You can see the email address, company, location, team size, resource, and the preferred consultation call type. You can see the details are right here. If you have any questions, contact us at this email address or call us on this number. Okay. So you can see the consultation call has now been booked by this AI agent automatically. So this is how this AI agent is going to work in real time. And we are going to create this amazing AI agent without need of any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, on a new tab, we have to browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Okay, then Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you, on which you have two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you're an existing user, you can directly sign into your Pabbly Chatflow account, but if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. I'm an existing user, so I'm going to directly sign into my Pabbly Chatflow account. Then you can see the all Pabbly apps in front of you, in which you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. For that, click on this Access Now button beneath it. Then Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. So what is Pabbly Chatflow? It is a tool that helps businesses to send WhatsApp message and manage WhatsApp conversations effortlessly. Pabbly Chatflow provides multiple features like inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings, under which we have multiple options. If you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out the video links in the description box below. In order to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, you need to add a WhatsApp number from here directly. And as you're going to do that, you'll find two methods, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In order to learn any of the methods in order to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, you can check out the links of the tutorials in the description box below. In order to create a new bot in our Pabbly Chatflow account, from the left side, you have to go towards this flow and flows section right over here. The flow builder page is then going to appear in front of you. And now to create a new flow, we have to click on this Add Flow button on the top right corner. A flow has been created right here, and firstly we're going to rename the flow, which is going to be WhatsApp Chatbot for your resource management consultant business. Okay, this is the name I want to give towards this flow. And it says flow start. How this bot that we are creating is going to be triggered. There are three ways: keywords, regex, and choose template. So let's suppose you've added few keywords in this field right here and your customer sends those keywords as a WhatsApp message to your bot. This flow is going to be triggered from here. Next is choose template. So let's suppose you've selected a template over here in the flow start, okay? And you send that template as a broadcast message towards all your contacts and your customers replies towards that message. This bot is going to be triggered from here. Next is regex. Regex is a short for regular expression. It is a special pattern or sequence of characters used to find, match or filter specific text. For the regex, I have a special character that is going to trigger this bot whenever we receive any of the messages by our customers. So I'm going to enter that special character right here. So this is the special character regex you can see right over here, using which this flow is going to be triggered by any of the message that we receive from our customer towards this bot. If you want to use this special character in your flow as well, you can find it in the description box below. After setting up my flow start, what message should be forwarded towards my customer after I receive their inquiry? I want to welcome my customer and send them number of options. For that, simply from this flow start point, I'm going to drag it and drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button. And for the message, I'm going to write over here as... So this is the message right here. Hello, welcome to Opticore Advisory, your trusted partner in efficient resource management. You can see this is the welcome message right here. And lastly, it says, please choose an option below. For adding the options, I'm going to add buttons over here in this message. I want to add 3 buttons. So I'm going to click on add button 3 times. In a message, you can only add maximum number of 3 buttons. Now we have to name each and every button. So for the names over here, I'm going to write it as... So these are the name of my buttons: our services, book a consultation, and download our guide. Okay. So now first for this button, that is our services. In this message, I want to send them the services that I provide. For that, simply I'm going to drag this point, drop it in this field of our services. Content type is going to be text plus button, and for the message, I'm going to write it as... So over here you can see this is the message that I've written, that is, at Opticore Advisory, we offer the following services. These are the services that we provide. Would you like to book a consultation with our expert? So now over here for this question, I'm going to add a button of yes, book a consultation right over here, with the help of which the customer can book a free consultation in my business. So for the button name over here, I'm going to write it as yes, book a session. Now this button message is going to be the same series of message that is going to be forwarded with this button, that is book a consultation. So before setting up the messages for this button over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the message for this button right here, that is book a consultation. Now for booking a consultation beforehand, I want to collect my customers' data first, like their name, the name of the business, what is the problem that they are facing, number of team members that they have, and all the other details. I want to collect few details from my customer beforehand. Now for collecting the details, we have to ask question towards our customer. For asking questions over here, if I'm going to go to actions, you can see this option ask question. I'm going to drag it and drop it in this field, and now we're going to add questions right here. Firstly, I'm going to connect this button to this question. Okay. My first question over here for the message, I'm going to write it as... So this is my first message right over here. The first question, that is awesome. We offer 30 minutes free consultation call to understand your resource management challenges. May I know your full name, please? Okay. So now over here, firstly, it is asking for the full name from my client or the customer. So now this bot is collecting the data full name from my customer. I want to create the systematic record of this full name in my Pabbly Chatflow account itself. So now to keep the record, you can use this amazing feature by Pabbly Chatflow, that is contact custom field. Yes, with the help of contact custom field, you can create multiple custom fields according to your requirement, and in those fields you can save the data according to your customers' replies. Okay. So now we have created a contact custom field in the name of full name. You can see right here. These are all the fields that I've created. So I'm going to select the data of this custom field, that is full name. If you want to create your own contact custom field, you can go to settings and you can see this option contact custom field and create your own fields. Okay. If you want to learn the entire process of how contact custom field works, you can check out the video that we have already created. Okay. Now after selecting the contact custom field full name, the data of this question is going to be saved in this field right here. Format of the reply, I'm going to receive a text. So I'm going to select it as text, number of attempts 1, and the validation message I'm going to write over here as error. What is validation message? So let's suppose towards this question a customer replies and the reply is not equal to the selected format. They will receive the validation message of error automatically. Okay. So now after setting up my first question right over here in this manner, I have multiple other questions. So I'm going to add all the questions right here. You can see I've added the series of questions. My first question is for the email address. So this question is going to collect the data of the email address. This question is going to collect the data of the business name. This is going to collect the data of the city and the country. The team size, this is the question for the team size right over here. This question is for the resource challenge, what challenge the customer is facing. This is for preferred consultation time, with the help of which the customer can tell me their preferred consultation time. And last question is, thank you, just to confirm, you want to book 30 minutes free consultation with our expert. Reply yes to confirm, no to go back to the main menu. Now this last question have conditions. That is yes or no. Okay. So now if a customer selects yes, I want to send them a thank you message and tell them their 30 minutes free consultation call is going to be booked, and with the summary of all the details that they have sent while submitting the answers towards the question. And if the customer sends no, then what I want is I want to send them back to this main menu. This is the main menu right over here. Okay. So now for adding conditions in a flow, you have to go to actions and you can see this option condition right here. Drag it and drop it in this field. Okay. I'm going to connect this question to this condition. I'm going to select the condition as equal to. If the condition is equal to attribute value, I'm going to write over here as yes. If the condition is equal to yes. So over here, from where are we going to find this yes and no? From this last field, that is consultation confirmation. Okay. If this consultation confirmation data is equal to yes, so firstly I'm going to select the contact custom field as consultation confirmation. If the data in this field is equal to yes, then what should be the reply is going to be this true reply. And if it's not equal to yes, they are going to receive the false reply. So firstly, let us set up the true reply. I'm going to drag this point, drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button. Over here in the message, I'm going to write it as, this is the message you can see right over here for the yes. Thank you for booking your free consultation call with Opticare Advisory. You can see right over here the details. Now over here you can see I've added email, that is $email. So now what is this $email? So over here in this number of questions, as for the email, I've asked the question, it is going to be saved in this field, that is email right over here. I want to extract the data from this field, that is email, and add it in this thank you message right here. For that, simply what you have to do is add the name of your contact custom field exactly, and in front of it just add a $sign. The data is going to be extracted from the field and added in this message. And yes, you can see right over here for this email, I have added the two signs, that is the star sign in front and in the end. Why do we do that? In order to make the text bold, you have to add the star sign in the front of the sentence and in the end of the sentence. Okay. So now after that, I've added the business name, country and city right over here, team size, resource challenge, preferred consultation type. Okay. It says if you have any questions, contact us anytime on this email address or this phone number. Best regards, Opticare Advisory team. Okay. So you can see right away, this message is going to be forwarded when this answer is going to be yes. What if the answer is no? That is the false situation. We have to send them back to the main menu. So I'm going to connect this false point to this main menu right over here. Okay, I'm going to connect it. Okay, so if the answer is no, they will receive this main menu from here. Okay, so now I've added the condition over here in the messages. So now we have successfully set up the button for the book a consultation, and remember I have added a button of yes book a consultation right over here as well. So I'm going to simply connect this button to these series of questions. Okay. So now after selecting in all the details right here, the last button is download our guide. For the guide, I have created a guide which I'm going to send towards my customer. For that, simply I'm going to drag this point and drop it in this field of download our guide. And over here for the content type, I'm going to select it as media. Media type is going to be document because I have a PDF file over here. After that, over here it is asking for the PDF URL. After that, over here it is asking for the media URL. You can either paste the media URL right here. You can either paste the URL right over here and upload it right over here. So I'm going to upload it from here. So you can see right over here, this is the guide. I'm going to upload it over here in this field, and the guide is going to be automatically uploaded. Okay. After that, I want to enter a message over here. For that, click on this add content. Content type is going to be text plus button, and the message over here is going to be, so this is the message right away with the guide. Thanks for your interest in our resource optimization guide. Here's a free download. You can see this is the free download right over here. This guide will help you identify. You can see right away, this is the message that I've written right here. So this is the entire bot that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow for my resource management consultant business. In order to save this bot that I've created, click on the save button on the top right corner. Okay. After saving this bot that I've created, I want to test this bot whether this is working successfully or not. Okay. For that, towards this bot, I'm going to send a WhatsApp message with my number. So for the message over here, I'm going to write it as, hey, what services do you offer? I'm going to send this message towards this bot right here. And as soon as I've done that, the bot has automatically replied with a welcome message. I want to know the services. So I'm going to click on this our services option right here. These are the services. So now I'm going to show you the condition. I've already shown you in the beginning. If the answer was yes, the message is going to be received. I'm going to show you if we book a consultation and the answer in the end is no, what message are we going to receive then? So now we're going to book a session from here, and I'm going to reply to all the messages right now in front of you. So now after answering all these questions in front of you, it says thank you, just to confirm. Now I'm going to reply towards this question over here as no. Okay, I don't want to confirm the call, so I'm going to send over here the answer as no. And as I'm going to send the answer as no, you can see I'm forwarded back to the main menu as it was said right over here. I'm forwarded back towards this main menu. Okay, so as now this bot is auto replying to all my messages successfully. This means that we have successfully created this amazing AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow without need of any coding and programming skills. Okay, you have now seen how to create a powerful interactive WhatsApp chatbot for your business using Pabbly Chatflow. And that's it. You have seen how to create a powerful interactive WhatsApp chatbot for your business using Pabbly Chatflow. And the best part, you can test and build your own bot today because Pabbly Chatflow gives you 100 free credit points to get started with zero investment. So go ahead, create your own customizable bots today itself. And if you want to test, you can also do that as well using Pabbly Chatflow. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any questions, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue in Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link. If you want to try your own test bot today with Pabbly Chatflow, you can do it absolutely for free as we provide 100 free credit points. So go and check out Pabbly Chatflow today.